Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Fish. I'm your how-to guy. I do everything how-to. We have here is a package that has all your hardware that you need to install your ceiling fan and light. You get a remote control. We'll get a nice close-up look at all this stuff in a few seconds. And the important part is the bracket. You want to make sure that this bracket goes on nice and secure to secure your ceiling fan that is well protected when you get it. This is a nice large ceiling fan. Look how pretty it is. It's small with the blade. For winter time you want to have the air go up, and summertime you want to have the air go down. So let's get a real close-up look what this product looks like and show you how to hang it. Remote control, you're going to have to supply your own batteries. And it's very simple to hook up. You put the batteries in the correct way and you close this all up. And you find a spot to hang this on the wall with the bracket. You get this bracket, it's got 4 screws. They give you the 4 screws right here, and they give you the hardware to hang it. You get a ground, neutral, and load wire nuts. And you get the ground screw that goes into the piece. And of course we get the instruction guide on how to hang things. I have right here the little wiring, all my AC's off. I'm going to hook up my bolts. I need a second hand. I got this little thing right here. It's called a latch. And the latch is going to hook up to anywhere of the bracket. Take my load, twist them together, and lock everything down. Grab a long screwdriver, lock it in. When you first turn your lights on, they'll come on automatically. Now, with the remote control, give you a nice close-up look. You have all these buttons here, an off button, an on button. You have this cooling recycle button. You have a light raise button and a light lower button. You have a blue light, and the more you press it you can see it increments, and you have a different color light. You can see all the different lights. You have the fan that goes on, low, medium, and high. 1 hour, 2 hour, and stop. As we press the left button, you can see this lights up, and over here this lights up. As we press the right button, as well, different colors. We can shut it off, and we can reverse the fan. Press the center button, and you got a whole bunch of different changes in lighting. This is an awesome fan for small offices, warehouses, a living room, a bedroom, anywhere that you need to cool off a hot room or warm up a cool room to bring the heat around by reversing the fan. I hope this product is something that you're looking for. I hope you enjoy your fan, the product of choice.